Hi, I am John Babu Koye, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Convergent Journalism at Central University of Kashmir, Ganderbal, Jammu and Kashmir. I welcome you to the module that deals with convergent media and emerging trends. After studying this module, you shall be able to understand the concept, meaning, and scope of convergent media, understand the emerging trends and contemporary and convergent media scenario, understand the factors affecting convergence, and distinguish different forms of convergence. Now, let us discuss the rapid changes in information technology, liberal media environment, and shifting consumer behavior lead to an advanced form of media production that evolves across the world. When technologically developed countries have first entered the digital age, media productions in developing countries like India still coping up had to be found new opportunities and ever chasing challenges. Media people tend to get excited about innovative ideas vis-a-vis media convergence because it holds much promise both in creating an area of opportunities and finding solutions to unresolved challenges in the realm of communication. Precisely, convergence could be seen as several net-based technological forces working together to render a form of unprecedented journalism. Some view convergence as inexorable. Others argue that it is driven primarily by the profit motivations of large media conglomerates. Media companies who tilt towards convergence hope to reach their fragmented audiences through multiple media platforms being ensured by digital technologies. Their aim objective is to serve the media needs of audiences with the availability of relatively cheap digital technology. For journalism students and practitioners, convergence has implications of how they produce news and how they perceive news distribution in a multiple platforms media landscape. The convergence of media understood from the point of integration of media management to the integration of marketing, promotion, sale, redistribution, integration of production and process that like text, audio, video, graphics and integration of overall community. Now, let us see what is convergence. Convergence, a catchword in the times of post globalization, became a common vocabulary in the 21st century. It comes from the Latin root converger of the late 17th century. Prefix con connotes together and verge means incline or to turn toward. Convergence, according to Merriam-Webster dictionary, means the coordinated movement of the two eyes so that the image of a single point is formed on corresponding retinal areas. Hence, convergence can be discussed to define things that are in the process of coming together of two different entities. When we go back to the origin of the press in late 1600, it was an exchange of ideas amongst citizens in reading rooms, coffee houses or other public places in European countries. The internet kiosks in the early 21st century are our new charting rooms. It is both a news medium in its own right and a connector of other media. The internet enables us to move right from worldwide shopping to global journalism. Here, the consumer is the driving force. From the times of Marshall McLuhan's Gutenberg Galaxy in 1962 to Manuel Castell's Internet Galaxy in 2001. Digital convergence has radically changed the field of media and media history as well. When Fiedler in 1997 called digital convergence of news media as mediamorphosis, Joan Antonio Giner in 2001 says media diversification is the past, digital convergence is the present, multimedia integration is the future. Defining convergent media. convergence from the point of production, there are plenty of perspectives presented across both by the academicians and industry. However, the following four are instrumental for this lesson to understand here. New media scholar Henry Jenkins defined that convergence is the flow of content across multiple media platforms, the cooperation between multiple media industries, and the migratory behavior of media audience who would go almost anywhere in search of the kinds of entertainment experiences they wanted. Professor Larry Pryor calls corporate communication where big companies merge because of mutual benefits of amalgamation. Larry Pryor's definition noted that convergence occurred in the newsrooms as staff worked to produce multiple products for multiple platforms to reach mass audience with interactive content, often on a 24/7 time scale. John Hale, an editor of Orlando Sentinel, introduced convergence at his news outlet in 1995. He said, "The big thing I try to emphasize with anyone looking at how to practice journalism across multiple media is the critical need to address the culture of the organization." He also said success depended on having journalists who could think multiple media and who were comfortable working across several media platforms. Rob Curley, a former vice president of Washington Post who has been distinguished for his work, especially convergent media, he says that, "To me, it's much more about serving the audience wants to be served so that they can have our content whenever they wanted it and wherever they want it." Convergence across recognizing audience who keep on fluctuating. Robert Curley says, "We need to give those audiences what they seek in terms of news and information." Therefore, media convergence understood as various media platforms such as newspaper, radio station, television station, website and other working together to tell a story in their best possible way. In this form, journalists tell the same news story in all media platforms by using audio, video, text and pictures as means. It is the assimilation or combining of mass communication outlets. Simply, media convergence is the creation of multiple versions of a story for different media.